create, we draw, and we paint, and we learn, and we play in the STEAM Lab Club every day.
Hi friends! And I'm Coach Jerry. Welcome to another awesome STEAM Lab Club! Alrighty friends, well, guess what we're gonna be making today? We're gonna be making erupting pumpkins! What? Alright, well let's see what we need. Okay, well the first thing we need is a pumpkin. Right there. The next thing is some carving materials. And they make these in packs. You can just go buy them and they're really cheap and they're pretty safe. Alrighty, we're gonna need some baking soda. We're gonna need some vinegar. We're gonna need some food coloring if you want. And we're gonna need a marker. And I also have a tray just in case you don't want things to get too messy. Alright, whoa, just like that. Alrighty friends, well, I say we get started and make these pumpkins erupt. Come on! Alrighty, so the first thing we need to do is we're gonna start drawing on this pumpkin. So we need to draw a little circle around the top, just a little one, and that's where we're gonna pour all the stuff to make it explode. Alright, now the next thing we wanna do is we wanna draw some eyes, just little ones. You don't want too big of ones. And I'm drawing 2 circles for the eyes. And then right here, I'm gonna draw a nose with a triangle. And then for his mouth, I'm just gonna draw a little tiny rectangle. Just like that. How hard is that? Pretty easy. Now you can put other things on your pumpkin, okay? But now we're gonna cut our pumpkins out, all right? And the first thing that we wanna do is we wanna cut right around the top, all right? So you could take any of these and just poke a little hole in there to get it started, just like that. Then, we just saw around, just like that. And remember, we want it pretty small. All the holes we want to be pretty small. All right, now if we cut it just like this, we should be able to pull this right off. Whoa! It worked! All right, now normally if we were carving the pumpkins out, we would take a lot of this stuff out. But I don't need to do that today because we're just gonna make them explode. So, I'm gonna leave all that in there, just like that. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to cut the little face out. So I need to cut his eyes out, just like this. I'm gonna poke this, and then I'll just use this to go in a circle. Oop, I might need my smaller one. And that's why these little pumpkin carving kits are so good. Okay. Now, There's a little circle, and I'm just gonna poke that out, and you can pick it up if you want. Now I'm gonna poke the other one right in there. Boop. Boop. All I'm doing is just sawing a little circle right around. You can make them big too if you want. I'll show you why I like them a little bit smaller. All right, now let's get this nose cut out. And that's a triangle. So we can make a triangle here. Just like that. Boop, and we can poke this in there and pull it right out. All right, and if you want to cut a little more out of his nose, you can also do that. I'm just gonna cut around a little bit so we could see more in there. All right, now I'm just gonna cut right along this line, just like this. Except I'm gonna curve it up just a little bit so he's smiling. All right. Then this one can go straight across. There we go. Just like that. All right, now let's take a look. How does yours look? Is it ready to erupt?
Wow, I love it!
Not yet. But let's put some things in it and see if we can make him erupt. Come on. Alrighty. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure the ingredients, the baking soda and the vinegar. So the first thing we want to do is, if we have a tray, we want to take our tray here. And I'm going to take 1 cup. So it's going to say 1 cup here. All right, and we'll take that. Right. 1. Whoa! And we just need to fill that all the way up. And then I'm going to put it right in here and pour this right in there. Okay? There we go. Just like that. Now, I'm gonna take the vinegar, but look here, I have an extra cup, so I can put the vinegar in 1 cup. I'm gonna fill up 1 cup here, like this. Oop. 1, and I'm gonna put that in there. Don't spill it, because it is stinky. And then I'm gonna do 1 more and put it right in there. So I'm gonna fill the cup all the way up, because we're not ready just yet. Now I'm gonna take the food coloring and I'm gonna put it in the vinegar here. Just like that. And I did red because it's scary. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the vinegar in, and then we'll put the top on our pumpkin. Okay? So the first thing that we're gonna do is take the top off. And are you ready? Alrighty, friends. Now, all we're gonna do is pour this right into there and close it. Ready? 1, 2. Drum roll. I guess it did erupt! Well, friends, I hope you had fun today, 'cause I sure did! And guess what? You can carve this out some more if you want, because this pumpkin is just fine. Alrighty, friends. Well, it's time to say goodbye. So if you know the goodbye song, sing it with me. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. Oh, it is time to say goodbye. Give a smile and wink your eye. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. Bye! Oh, yeah!
We make, we create, we draw, and we paint, and we learn.